So this is the build table, 3 parts. So up there we can have up to maybe 10 computers. Right now we have network connections for 4, and so this is really hard to do with multiple computers, especially for the client who has room for nothing. But they bought this handy gadget, which allows you to work on 4 computers simultaneously without having to have 4 monitors, 4 mice, and 4 keyboards, and connecting all that stuff up takes an hour in and of itself because of just having 4 power cords, 4 internet cables or network cables, 4 mouse cables, 4 keyboard cables, and then making all that stuff work in whatever tiny space I'm allotted. But with this tiny monitor, this 1 keyboard, this gadget, and 1 mouse, I'm able to build these 3 computers simultaneously by swapping between these buttons. So I've got 3 connected, and that looks like this. This is 1. And I do not use big monitors for builds because they take up too much space. So I buy these tiny monitors from thrift stores, thus like the one here for the Linux box, which we use to do backups. But so this is swapping between these 3 monitors, between these 3 computers, using 1 monitor. Yep, there it goes. So yeah, super duper efficient.